I will be continuing solving the mathematics questions of Sainik exam 2024. The first question, question number 41. It asks the largest among the fractions. 5 by 9, 4 by 11, 7 by 12, and 6 by 13 is. So to answer this question, to solve this question, we have to learn decimals because we are not going to do it finding the LCM of denominators way because the LCM would be too much. So to convert these four fractions into decimals, we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. Then it would be 5 divided by 9, like that. So 5 divided by 9 is 0.55, and we'll turn this 5 by 9 into decimal. It is 0.55. We are going to do the same thing on the other ones. Then 0.55, 0.36, 0.58, and 0.46 came out. So all we need to do now is find the biggest among these four decimals. The biggest one is 0.58, and this decimal is 7 by 12 converted into decimal. So 7 by 12 is the biggest fraction. And the answer to question number 41 is 7 by 12. On the next question, it asks, what should be added to 5 by 13 to get 13 by 5? So the question said that a fraction has been added to this 5 by 13. And the answer was 13 by 5. But it tells us to find the missing number, to find the number that we add, that has been added on this 5 by 13. So to do this, we're going to cross multiply. The unknown fraction will be x. Then if we cross multiply, it will become 5 by 13 will go all the way here. And this addition symbol will become subtraction symbol. Then x equals 13 by 5 minus 5 by 13. The LCM of 5 and 13 is 65. So x equals, if we divide 35 by 5, it will become 13. So the first fraction 13 by 5 will be 13 times 13 by 65. Then the next one will be 65 divided by 13 equals 5. 5 times 5 by 65. Then if you multiply this, 13 times 13 is 169. Then 5 times 5 is 25 by 65. Now all we need to do is subtract 25 from 169. If we subtract it, the answer will be 144. Then the answer to question number 42 is 144 by 65. In the next question, question number 43, it asks, Jasper purchased an old car for rupees 118,000. And spent 7,000 rupees on its maintenance. If he sold the car for rupees 1,40,000, then his profit percentage is So the question asks us to find the profit percentage when he when Jasper bought an old car for rupees 1,18,000, and for its maintenance he paid rupees 7,000. Then sold the car for rupees 1,40,000. So first we have to know how much money he used on the car. Then he used 125,000, 1,25,000 rupees on the car. And he sold the car for rupees 1,40,000. Now we are going to find the profit, but not the profit percentage. The profit will be 15,000. The profit is rupees 15,000. So now we are going to find the profit percentage. To find the profit percentage, I will use the parts by whole equal to percentage by 100. The parts will be 15,000. The whole will be 125,000 equals percentage by 100. We'll cross multiply, and I will take this 100 over here, and it will become 100 times 15,000 by 1,25,000 equals percentage. So we are going to cancel the zeros. Since there is 2 0 here, and there is 3 0 here, we cancel the 2 0 on this 3 0 since there is 0 here. And now this. So all is left now is 15,000 by 125. 1,500 by 125. We have to divide. Then the answer is 12. So the answer to question number 43 is 12%. In the next question number 44, it asks the supplementary angle of the complementary angle of 1/10 of the right angle will be. So we gotta find what is the supplementary angle of the complementary angle of 1/10 of a right angle. First, we should know the 1/10 of a right angle. We know that a right angle is 30 degrees. We know that right angle is 90 degree. Now the 1/10 of 90 degree will be 90 degree divided by 10. The answer will be 9 degree. Then the complementary of 9 degree will be to solve this question, to answer this question, we have to learn the supplementary and the complementary. The complementary is 90 degree. Any two angles that are added together and formed complementary and formed a 90 degree is called a complementary angle. Or the partner of a number. When they add up and come out, the answer will be 90 degree. Then the other partner is called the complementary angle. So to find the complementary angle, we have to subtract this 9 from 90. it will be 81. Then the complementary angle of this 9 degree is 81 degree. So the supplementary angle of this 81 degree is 100 equals 180 minus 81. Then the answer to this question is 99. The answer to this question number 44 is 99. On the question number 45, the last question I'm going to solve this time. It asks the supplementary angle of 3 times of the half of a right angle is. So this question asks us which one of these option A, B, C, and D is equal to what the question says. The supplementary angle of 3 times of the half of a right angle. So in option A, there is acute angle, and on option B, there is obtuse angle, and on option D, and on option C, there is right angle, and on option D, half of a right angle. So to know this, we have to answer the question first. The supplementary angle of 3 times of the half of a right angle is. So first we got to find the half of a right angle. To find the half of a right angle, we'll divide. We know that right angle is 90 degree, and we'll divide this 90 degree by 2. The answer will be 45. So we found the first task, half of a right angle. It is 45 degree. Then the second one is 3 times. So we got to multiply this 45. We got to multiply this 45 times 3. The answer is 135 degree. Then the last one, the supplementary angle of this number 135. So the supplementary means any two angle that adds up and forms a 180 degree straight angle is called. That two are called supplementary angles. And there is one number over here, one angle 135 degree, and the supplementary angle of this angle means we have to find the partner of this angle, which both will add up to 180. So we got a subject 135 from 180. Then the answer will be 45. Then we got 45 in answering the question. So we got a final only the option A, B, and C, D. Which one of these are the answer? 45 is not an obtuse angle nor a right angle, but is an acute angle. So acute angle is option A. But on option D, it says half of a right angle. We know that 45 degree is half of 90 degree. And 90 degree is right angle. So it means this is also correct. These two are correct. So the answer to question number 45 is only A and D. This time I solved question number 41 to number 45 from a Sainik exam 2024 mathematics questions. If there is anything wrong in my solutions, you can tell me in the comments and I will be very happy. On the next video, I will answer question number 46 to number 50. See you in the next video.